Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, your ultimate destination for honest, high-performance tech reviews. If you're looking to scale your network infrastructure or manage multiple connected devices with total efficiency, today's product is going to impress you. We're diving into the NETGEAR 48-port Gigabit Ethernet Smart Switch model GS748T. Whether you're upgrading an office, building a server room, or scaling your network for a business, this switch brings serious capabilities to the table. Starting off, this isn't your average consumer-grade switch. The GS748T is a fully managed, 48-port Gigabit Ethernet switch, designed for performance, scalability, and secure network control. It features two dedicated 1G SFP ports for fiber uplinks and two combo ports, giving you flexible deployment options across a wide range of setups from small businesses to enterprise-level rollouts. Performance-wise, it delivers non-blocking switching architecture, meaning all ports run at full duplex simultaneously without traffic bottlenecks. You get 96 Gbps switching capacity, which translates to smooth, uninterrupted data transfer even under heavy load. The fanless design ensures silent operation, making it perfect for open office environments or server racks. It also supports advanced Layer 2+ management features, including VLANs, QoS, lag, IGMP snooping, and even access control lists for traffic segmentation and security. Plus, if you want remote monitoring and control, you can optionally enable Insight Cloud Management, giving you access to real-time monitoring, configuration, and troubleshooting all from a mobile app or web browser. Security isn't left behind either. With features like port security, 802.1x authentication, DHCP snooping, and DOS prevention, your network remains protected from external threats. And the limited lifetime warranty with next business day hardware replacement shows just how much NETGEAR backs this unit. Setup is surprisingly intuitive thanks to the web-based GUI, and for those of you deploying it in a rack environment, rack mount brackets are included in the box. So whether you're managing a growing business, running high-traffic applications, or just need dependable, silent, and secure networking, this is one switch that truly delivers. If you're ready to boost your network with reliable gigabit performance, the NETGEAR GS748T is a solid investment. Check out the link in the description to grab yours today, and if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more top-tier tech breakdowns, right here on Gadgetverse.